everyone, we're back making another baby keepsake. This one is a bit different. She did not send any pregnancy tests, but she did send the things her baby used and had on at the hospital, which is totally okay, but it left me paranoid for a second because I thought maybe I lost her pregnancy test. So to get started, I didn't have to prep the blood pressure cuff, so I just put that right in. Then next, her pacifier, which has resin on the inside of the nipple part so it doesn't cause any bubbles later on in the layers. Next was finding a spot for her umbilical cord and clamp. One of the bracelets was already laminated, so I didn't have to put anything on it, but the other two I laminated with some self-laminating paper from Amazon. My customer also requested some July birth flowers. I think I'm pronouncing this right, but it's delphinium flowers, so I ordered these from Etsy. Also, everything I've used in this video will be linked in the description below. I let all of this sit for 24 hours and then I come back and add some glitter. My customer didn't really have much of an idea on how she wanted her keepsake to look. She just asked for it to be pink and sparkly, plus the flowers, of course. If you have liked this video so far, please like and subscribe to see more keepsakes being made and other creative resin items. We also do monthly giveaways, so join our VIP club in the description below to get notified about our giveaways. As always, I add in a little white to make this pink a baby pink. After 24 hours, it's time to unmold. My customer didn't want any names or dates on her keepsake, so this is the finished keepsake. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. See you later.